Hi, hello friends. The point of discussion in this session shall be on the choledochal cysts or the biliary cysts, which are very frequent and favorite topic for NEET-SS as well as the DNB examiners. So basically the choledochal cysts are classified into 5 types, and you will be getting a question on what type of orientation fits into which type of classification from 1 to 5. So as you can see here, there are 5 types of cystic classifications, and the MCQs that we expect in each of these types are discussed now. So in type 1, the first MCQ that they ask you is, it's the most common type of biliary cyst, and it is an extrahepatic fusiform dilatation. So 2 points that you need to remember is that it's an extrahepatic dilatation, it is a fusiform dilatation, and the third point is that it's most common variant of a biliary cyst. Well, and then let's go to the type 2. Type 2 is a saccular dilatation of the extrahepatic biliary tree, and it resembles a condition called as accessory gallbladder. Type 2 cysts are mistaken for accessory gallbladder, as you can see here. So the MCQ that they ask you is which type is often mistaken for accessory gallbladder. The answer has to be type 2. And type 3 is a peculiar variant in which there is a dilatation into the duodenum. As you can see, dilatation is entering into the duodenum. And the thing about type 3 is that it has got a peculiar name. It is called as choledochal. So type 3 is called as choledochal. And from here starts the confusing part, as well as the part that is favorite for MCQs, that is type 4A, B, and type 5. So type 4A is dilatation of intrahepatic plus extrahepatic biliary tracts. Type 4B is dilatation of only extrahepatic biliary tree, and type 5 is dilatation of only intrahepatic biliary tree. As you can see here, type 5 is dilatation only of the intrahepatic biliary tree. So, as I had put up the MCQ, of which most of you had marked it wrong. So the simple way to differentiate between 4A, B, and 5 is that if you can remember, arrange these alphabets. Type 4A is intra plus extra. Type 4B is extrahepatic. Type 5 is only intrahepatic. So if you arrange these alphabets in sequence, as you can see here, there are 2 E's lying between 2 I's. So in between the 2 I's, there are 2 E's. So I for intrahepatic and extrahepatic, which together constitute 4A. Only extrahepatic dilatation is 4B, and again I stands for intrahepatic. Type 5 it's only intrahepatic dilatation. So this is how you can never forget between 4AB and type 5. And one more mnemonic that you can easily remember is for the type 2, which is accessory gallbladder. So that is, there's an additional extra gallbladder, that is 2 gallbladders are present, then it is called an accessory gallbladder. So type 2 stands for 2 gallbladders. So when you get a question that which is mistaken for 2 gallbladders, which is also called as accessory gallbladder, then your answer has to be type 2. Type 3, as you all know, it is an intramural dilatation, which opens into the lumen of the duodenum. And the final mnemonic, which I told you previously, 2 E's between 2 I's, which stands for 4AB and type 5. Thank you, friends. This is how you can never forget and confuse on any MCQ that they ask you on the Todani's classification.